Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. As you can see, this is a S-band radar. So today we are going to change the magnetron. So I will show you how we are replacing the magnetron of S-band radar. Yeah, you can see this is the internal unit of scanner. Inside the scanner, radar scanner, just you have to remove first all the connections, or we can remove from down below also. Magnetron we can see, but due to the wiring we cannot remove these bolts, so we decided to take out the full unit outside, so then we can easily replace the magnetron. For that purpose, first you have to disconnect all the wires, and just remember or take the photo of a wire where it is connected. So you can see this is the place where we can see our magnetron. See, this is a magnetron. Yeah, this is the connection we are moving now. There is only 2 wires for the magnetron, and this is very easy to replace the magnetron for S-band radar and X-band radar. X-band radar magnetron is little bit big in size, but procedure is same to place this one. So we have removed it. So this is our new magnetron which we are going to replace here. So we have to replace magnetron after some hours, whichever is given on the manual. After hours we have to replace it. So we have fixed the new one. After fixing the new one, you have to check the wires also. So wires, you have to put the lugs here, so the connection will be tight. So now we will adjust the wire and change the lugs. After this, you can connect the wire, and you can see our magnetron is changed. Just fix back it, put back all the connection and tight the bolts. After that, you can check on the screen your TX hours. You can check and you can make it reset. So like if you have running hours 5000 hours, whatever it is, just make it 0, because you have replaced the magnetron, so it will start working from today.